Hey makers, this is Raveen, and in this episode, I'm going to talk about the new updates from Power Platform from June 2026. So let's get started with that. The first update that is coming out loud in June 2026 is about closed loop learning. Now, what exactly this is for Power Apps? So basically, Microsoft has rolled out Power Apps MCP server where agent can learn from your corrections. Now, what do we mean by that? So let's say for an example, you are doing some sort of task over here for yourself. And let's say you are doing some data entry. Now in data entry, maybe you are entering some value. Maybe those values are incorrect and as a human, you are fixing that thing. So what happened here is this particular closed loop learning will observe what you are making as a change and basically understand what you make as a part of your pattern change. And it always remember that in their mind. Now, what happened here is next time when you perform the same task, it consider that pattern that you used earlier for the correction and according to that make the changes accordingly. So basically model is basically training themselves based on what you are doing as a mistake and you are correcting on that. So basically it has two different agent. One is basically doing your task and second thing is that supervising your agent activity, and each activity that you are performing over here, it just capture a log over here and according to that it will make the auto correction for that. So this is something which is coming in this Power Apps MCP server. Now, second update is around the planner code apps that Microsoft has rolled out. So PowerCat team has basically built one planner code app. Basically, it is showing you all the different announcement by Microsoft or feature release plan that you can simply explore it out this particular uh, GitHub repository and install it in your environment. So if you are interested for this particular code apps, you can simply download it out. Next update in this space for Power Platform we are having is around the versioning control for Power Automate Desktop Flow. Now, the thing is that it is right now in general availability, which means that it will maintain your desktop flow version for 12 months. And you can do the side-by-side comparison and get an exact idea where your changes are in. And according to that, you can revert back to your previous version or, you just have the similar capability how we are having with the Power Apps and Cloud Flows. Next big update we are having again around in the desktop flow action. So now in the desktop flow, the new action has been rolled out, which is run a Power Apps. So you can simply select it out to run the Power Apps from your desktop flow itself. So whenever you are having the requirement to perform some automation from your desktop flow, now this ready-made action will help you a lot into that one. So this is another interesting update on the Power Automate space. Next interesting update is around ACP, which is called as a Advanced Connector Policy. Traditionally, we were using DLP as a policy management where we are having business and non-business and block connector and we are applying that to each environment level and that's how we were working. Now, with the help of Copilot agent and lots of other MCP server actions and all, governing is becoming a little bit difficult, and to avoid that situation, Microsoft has rolled out ACP model, which is Advanced Connector uh, Policy. Simply, you can group your different environment and allow the specific set of policy onto specific group over here. Detailed video I will coming rolled out soon once we go through the latest announcement over here. So again, this is something which is something you can keep an eye on, that ACP policies. Now, next interesting update is around the inventory updates in the Power Platform. Now, inventory is one of the option in your Power Platform admin center where it will show you all your Power Automate flows, your Power Apps information and all. Now, in this one, along with this basic information, it will also show you the connector information as well as connector operation information within the same unified layout. So this is again very interesting update in the Power Platform admin center. So yeah, that's all about the June month that we are having as a part of Power Platform updates. Tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite one from this month's rollout and what next video you want me to prepare from this June updates as my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead. If you like to watch some premium content from my channel, there is a whole premium membership concept available, as well as there is a join button. It's less than a medium size of pizza pricing, so you can always become a premium member of my channel and explore the exclusive premium content which is available over here. Also, if you are looking for any live training program or recorded version of the live training program, you can always visit our website www.powerplatformtrainings.com. We are having the different training program for different AI as well as Power Pages, Power Automate, Power Apps around that. So always check out the website for the latest schedule. Till then, have a great day ahead. Goodbye.